In this video, we are going to be taking a look at Folks Finance. It's a lending protocol built on Algorand, but Folks Finance is not just your typical lending protocol. You see, Folks Finance is very crucial to the community governance structure on Algorand, guys, and you can see by the total value locked number that the governance is strong. In this video, what I want to do is simply share with you some new information that I discovered about the platform and how it ties into participating in the governance structure for Algorand, guys. And as you can see here, it comes with a list of advantages, something that we'll get into in a second, but I just want to show you the front end. Let's talk about some of the investors. Of course, we have the Algorand Foundation, but you'll also see Coinbase Ventures, Verify Capital, Jump Capital, and Borderless. This is good to see, guys. And we have an early backers list here. This goes back, way back, takes us all the way back to the beginning of things. But you can see that even in the beginning, there was a large list of supporters here to get this off the ground. But what's important here, guys, like I said, again, is the fact that through this platform, if you're an Algorand holder, you can participate in community governance. And we have been going through a lot in the markets recently. So I really wanted to show this portion first before we went any further, guys. It deals with security and audits. Now, Algorand does not have a history of being down or halting or, block production, pausing for whatever reason. Algorand doesn't have that problem, and neither does the applications that Algorand supports. And you can see here, we've had a runtime verification audit, Vantage Point, CoinSpect, Crypticon, Immunify. So we have a number of security and audit protocols that have done the digging, done the due diligence for this platform, guys. So I wanted to emphasize the security first and foremost, because it's a very treacherous time in the market. And before I go out and tell you to just put your money in a platform, even if it's something as reliable as Algorand, I just want to cover all of the bases. Now, looking at the platform itself, guys, this is app.folks.finance. Of course, you'll see that once you go to the link down in the description. The episode guide will get you directly to where you need to be. But this is, on the surface, yes, a DeFi platform where you can take your Algorand, connect your wallet, and stake. You can get a decent 8.1% APR, or you can get it 10% if you want to take out USDC, 15% if you want to do Tether. I'd be careful with that one though. But you can see here, this G algo, governance algo. That's very important. As a matter of fact, as of July 1st, Algorand has gone to Algo Liquid Governance 2.0. Q4 of 2021, Algorand introduced decentralized governance. Algo holders can participate in the growth and development of the Algorand ecosystem and in return be rewarded for their contributions. Now, in order to become a governor, the current model requires users to commit their algo for 3 months. During this time, users must maintain their algo balance above their committed amount in order to be eligible for reward. This means that users' Algorand are illiquid and effectively locked, so like a typical lockup period. However, Folks Finance Liquid Governance aims to solve this problem by introducing a new token called G-Algo, minted one-to-one with committed algo used in governance. Users can use their G-Algo freely in the ecosystem as collateral on Folks Finance liquidity on DEXs and to purchase NFTs, etc. So as you can see here, this is one of those platforms, guys, and we can see the G-Algo, but Algorand has other platforms and services where you'll start to see now that we've kicked into 2.0, you'll start to see this G-Algo pop up in more places, guys. Now, on July 1st, the fourth cycle of the Algorand Foundation governance period will begin. This presents an excellent opportunity for increasing Algo DeFi total value locked through the usage of liquid governance. G-Algo and the dynamics generated from its use will help the ecosystem grow despite the falling markets, enhancing the strength of a built-to-be sustainable chain like Algorand. And summarize it quickly and simply, basically, they have now removed the lockup period. That's what the term liquid governance refers to, guys. It's basically you can now contribute to the Algorand governance with the G algo. You'll take your regular algo and mint it 1-to-1 for the G algo token. They represent the same quantity, same value, with the exception of it not being locked. So you can take that G algo, you can move it around, you can shift it, you can take your existing Algorand and do the same thing. So that's very good thing to see, guys, because that's going to add extra incentive to people looking to get on Algorand. Now we will cover these 3 points here because these are very important. The G algo is now continuous. There will be a single G algo asset not connected to a single governance period, unlike G algo 3, which was only for the third governance period. Again, this G algo asset will exist for the governance periods that are going to come. Now, new smart contracts are built to be flexible and adaptable to the future development of the AF governance through XGov. There will also be a new voting system. Algo Liquid Governance allows Folks Finance Liquid Governance users to vote on Algorand Foundation proposals. Voting will respect our governor's choices proportionally. In addition, Folks Finance will have its own proposals for how to run Folks Finance Liquid Governance platform. Those G algo tokens can be used for that too. When you saw, we went over how it says proportionately here. That's to be expected with any governance, any staking, any DAO type of situation. The more you hold, the more you can control. Lastly, the new liquid governance will not have any fees and will allow users to early claim their expected rewards in G algo. Users will be able to then burn that G algo for rewards in Algorand as usual at the end of the governance period. So Liquid Governance 2.0 is going to bring a brand new layer to Algorand's decentralized community governance, guys, which again is something that I think is very unique in the space right now, and it's going to give Algorand an added advantage when it comes to bear market conditions like this one. But that's all I got for you in this video, guys. Just wanted to shed some light on Folks Finance. I know a lot of you guys enjoy Algorand. I'm looking to explore the ecosystem a bit more for you. So if you found value in this content, of course, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that way you don't miss another one. Also, if you want more in-depth, top-notch crypto content you won't find anywhere else on YouTube, simply hit that join button right below this video, and for $2.99 a month, you can get access to just that. And while you're at it, guys, of course, you know what I'm going to tell you. Have a great day. Have a prosperous day. Most importantly, if that money is digital, so is the hustle. I'll see y'all in the next one.